Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. Tonight we are making the most delicious crispy chicken taco, and it's so incredibly easy. You're not going to believe this. And typically you can do this on a sheet pan, totally scalable, because Monday night I did it for 10 people, maybe 11. There were 10 at least. And I did it on a sheet pan, a couple of sheet pans in the oven. It went off without a hitch. 10 to 12 minutes in your oven on 425. However, tonight it's just me. And I had a big lunch, so I'm gonna scale it down to just me. I just want one taco. And I'm going to do it in my Ninja Foodi on the air fry setting. So you can do these in your air fryer too. It just depends on how many people and what you wanna do. It works about 10 minutes in the air fryer, 10 to 12 in a 425 oven. But I'm gonna spray my tortilla on both sides with avocado oil. And honestly, whatever tortillas you want. If you want corn tortillas, flour tortillas, big ones, small ones, anything works. That's what's so great about this recipe. And then your cheese of choice. This is a white cheddar. I try to always go no cow dairy. I try to do like goat cheese cheddar is one of my favorite go-tos. But I'm putting a little bit of that cheddar in the middle of the tortilla. And then I'm going to take some shredded chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, but this was chicken. I had a bunch of chicken breasts, and for my big Monday night group, I cooked it all in a slow cooker, and it was so amazingly delicious. And then all I did was mix in a jar of salsa. So shredded chicken, salsa, you've got super flavorful shredded chicken to go in to your tortilla. This makes for a fabulous taco, guys. And as much or as little as you want. And then I need a little bit more cheese on top. It's gonna bind this all together. Jalapenos in now, or you could wait and add them later. But I like it when there's a little bit of heat that's been cooked into the crispy taco. So we're gonna put this in to my Ninja Foodi for 10 minutes. And then when it comes out is when you fold it. While it's still warm and still pliable, you fold it carefully with a spatula typically, and then it will be perfectly done. And as it cools, it crisps up even more, and it is the most luscious bite you will ever imagine. And see how easy this is. Get yourself a rotisserie chicken and a jar of salsa and go to town. There's my air fry basket. Just need to set that in here. This Ninja Foodi is one of my favorite things. I use it every day. I used it to pressure cook earlier today, and now I'm using it on the air crisp setting to basically air fry my taco. I will link this Ninja Foodi below. Multi-use, you're gonna absolutely love this. My R2-D2, that's what my dad called it. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps out our channel, and we so appreciate you. See you in the next video. Easy peasy. This was done. You can see that. This was done in 9 minutes. And I'm gonna fold it over. Fold it over like that. It got nice and crispy, as you can see. And then this is the fun part. You just doctor it up however you want. So for me, I'm gonna open it up just a little bit so I can get some tomato in there. I can get some good amount of cilantro in there. And I love a squeeze of lime. And then a little crema that will kind of balance out that jalapeno that I put in there too. A little bit. You can put salsa, you can put avocado. Basically whatever you want is going in here. Can you see the inside of this taco? It looks so good. I'm just really anxious to bite into it. And let's see. Do you bite your taco from the middle or from the end? I'm a girl that bites it from the end. So let's see. Oh, let's try this end. But you kind of have to tilt your head sideways. Mm. Oh. Y'all, this is so good. I got a great big bite of chicken in there, and all those flavors and the texture of this crispy taco is just perfection, pure perfection. You can find this really simple recipe on tkfoodie.com. And like I said, you can do this in an oven. You can scale it up to feed 10 people or more, or you can scale it down to feed 1 or 2. And this is a winner. Your family's gonna love this. This is going to take your Taco Tuesday to the next level, and I promise you, your family will love these.